In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply see your deleted history on Google Chrome. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on these three dots right over here. Click on your profile right over here. Once you do that, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the manage your account or your manage your Google account option. So click on it. So once it's done loading, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on your data and privacy, which is this option right over here. So click data and privacy. Then once you do that, you're going to click on the my activity option. And then if you scroll down, you should see your recent search history. It should show right over here. Even if you have deleted it, it should show right over here. So that's how you can simply see your deleted history on Google Chrome. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.